means to them, and as well as how their loved ones' legacy continues to inspire generations and journalists. Thank you for being with us today, and good morning.
Good morning.
As a family member, today marks 50 years since the Balibo 5 tragedy. How do you feel as we look back on these 50 years?
Well, it seems like a long time ago. I've got some grey hair since then. But I have to say that today has been remarkable and special. In Australia, as I said before, I never really know what I'm going to do. Sometimes I'm just extraordinarily sad. Sometimes I try and celebrate my father's life. Today, I just felt the love of the people of Timor-Leste.
Are you willing to cooperate with the government of Timor-Leste to help preserve this site as a historical place for the future?
Of course. I would do anything that Timor-Leste, anyone from Timor-Leste asked me to do. I am completely indebted to the people of East Timor.
And finally, is there any messages that you would like to convey to not only to the people of Timor-Leste, but maybe as well as to the government?
Well, I'd like to say to those in government, it's about time we started telling the truth about things, and it's about time we started cutting what is a fair deal for the people of Timor-Leste. It's unfortunate that I have to walk around feeling so embarrassed by my government, even though I don't feel embarrassed about anything I've done.
Well, thank you very much
you.
for your time and for
Thanks.
sharing with us.
Cheers.
Thank you very
Have a
much.
nice day.
You too.
Yeah.
See you. And so, 50 years on, the spirit of Balibo 5 still lives on, and not just in memory, but in unwavering commitment of journalists who continue to speak truth and power. And so from here at Balibo Bobonaro, we thank you for watching.